let's unbox the steam cleaner so we can see everything that comes with it. And I can give you my first impressions. And then after I get a chance to try it out, I'll make some more videos. First thing on top here, you have your instruction manual, an extension nozzle that connects to the steamer. We have a couple of cups here, so a funnel measuring cup, a garment cloth cleaner, a scrub brush, and then like a fine point precision type fitting. This here looks like another extension wand, so we have a flexible one and then just a shorter one. Here we are with the steamer. It's actually quite a bit lighter than I expected it to be. I'm actually really surprised. It feels really sturdy, pretty durable. The plastic feels thick, so it's light. It's pretty light, but still feels heavy duty. So this attachment here is for the cloth. This goes on here so you can scrub your fabrics or clothes or whatever. And here's the last piece. This is a squeegee, so cleaning windows, glass, mirrors, whatever. So that's a squeegee attachment. Here's an up close look at all the pieces it comes with. So this one right here, this isn't an extension. It's actually a sterilizer cleaning tip here. It has like a brass insert there. Here is the attachment for the fabric steamer or cleaner. And you use this fabric cloth, put this on, and that's what you use for steaming or cleaning. Then you get a scrub brush here, and you have this little 45-degree angle flex spot steamer. This one is your squeegee for cleaning your windows, glass, mirrors. It has a little rubber on the end. So this is your flexible extender hose here, just so you can set down your steamer and get different angles and things that might be harder to reach, so you might need some flex force. Then this measuring cup here, it has a max line on there so you know how much to use to fill up the steamer, and then a funnel so you don't spill it. And then finally, give you the closest look here at the steamer itself. This one feels actually like really solid and sturdy, so I'm excited to give it a try. Quick look all the way around it. There's your cap up top. Screw that. There it is. It feels pretty ergonomic. The handle has some little ridges in there for grip, and then a flexible type nozzle. Not flexible, but you get some rotation, and it has a rubber gasket seal. So there it is. Everything it comes with. Definitely going to do a review once I have a chance to use it. Demo once I have a chance to use it, but just wanted you to know everything that you get with it and give you my first impressions of it. Most impressed with the steamer unit itself because it feels so solid. The other pieces, they're pretty common for the type of attachments that you would see for other steamers, but this steamer does seem to stand out to me so far, so I'm excited to give it a shot and let you know.